Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 2 of our Starting a Hair Business series. We left off with target audience, and I recommended that you guys spend some time thinking about your ideal customers' key demographic information, their psychographic information, as well as their interest. Something that really helped me was using ChatGPT. If you guys are not familiar, ChatGPT is an online AI platform that is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. Basically, you can ask it to help you with generating content, answering questions, engaging in conversations, and it'll provide you with detailed explanations. This is the prompt I use. If you guys are not using ChatGPT already, I highly recommend that you give it a try. It is completely free. At least the version I'm using is the free one. It's the open.ai.com one or something like that. And it's completely free. You just create like a username and a password, and you can log in and create different conversations if you want to keep things separate, which I think is really cool. And you can ask for ChatGPT to help you come up with content ideas. It can create a content schedule for you for the next 30 days. And it's really, really helpful. So if you're not using it already, definitely recommend. You also don't have to be in the beauty industry in order to take advantage of ChatGPT. You can use this for any niche, any industry. Just fill in the blanks for your specific industry and your product and service, and it should give you exactly what you're looking for. Once you have this information, you can assign your ideal customer with a name. That's going to be your avatar. Keep this person in mind going forward to help with how you should market, brand, and the kind of content that you should be posting. My avatar's name is Giselle, and she's obsessed with all things beauty and luxury. Leave yours down below.